Alright, we got some linemen putting in a new pole for us. Ours is laying down there. And they're putting the new one in right here. The tree that took it out is gone, so hopefully that won't happen again. God willing. And the creek don't rise. It's pretty cool how they're doing it though. They got a little choke chain kind of deal on there. See it? Helps them maneuver. That's pretty cool. How low can you go? Do the limbo.
How you guys doing?
Doing all right.
Thankful y'all are here.
Oh, you got the tables out. Good job, babe.
You just now noticing that?
Yeah, I was.
You noticed and wasn't impressed.
No, I hadn't noticed it. I was busy looking at the telephone pole and all that action going on over there.
Not telephone.
Well, you know what I mean. Power pole.
Yeah.
They all seem about the same to me, but I know they ain't.
Yeah. Yeah.
These fellows are from Indiana. And they come all the way down here to South Georgia just to help us out.
Praise God.
It was mighty nice of them. You don't think you need to drag that wheelbarrow out the way, babe? They don't seem to be bothered by it, do they? Meanwhile, at the Crosby house, we're brewing coffee. Pioneer style. Because first thing in the morning, the most important thing is prayer and meditation, and only second to that is coffee. You notice it fell on my mama's stone bench, like the concrete bench. It might survive, I don't know.
Well, if it don't, it's just a thing.
Yeah, they don't want to go through that wire. Meanwhile, these guys over here are taking all the fittings and wires and junk off of the other power pole, transformer and all, landed up in there. We get this done, and then all we got to do is get the contractor and the insurance guy out here to.
No, we contacted him already.
Yeah. Insurance guy's got to get done with the 400 before us before he can get to us. They laying the tarp down to catch all the dirt. Well, that's pretty smart. I bet these guys have done this a few times. Once or twice.
Probably a few thousand times.
Yep. Thank God for linemen. That's so cool.
Mighty impressive what you can do with an inclined plane enough.
Right? That's some physics in action right there. That's so cool. I'm such a nerd. I just shake all the dirt off onto the tarp. That is so cool. I've never seen this done before.
Welcome to Quitman. You're good, Drew.
You're in Brooks County now, where we do everything the redneck way.
Hang on.
All you need is duct tape, zip ties, and a hot glue gun.
Maybe a couple of bolts.
Maybe a couple bolts.
Y'all love that red Georgia clay? Oh yeah.
It's real good for pottery.
Yes, sir.
Not like back home.
Yeah, y'all got a bunch of rocks up there, don't you?
Got a bunch of heavy clay.
Yeah,
You know
Lord.
what I'm saying?
I love it until my car gets stuck in it.
Hey, it grows real good sweet potatoes.
It does.
I can't hear you what you say.
Grows real good sweet potatoes.
Oh, I believe that. Take it off.
I put ice in last night's coffee so I can drink it.
I'm hoping that water get hot soon.
I know, right? I was thinking we could put that big Dutch oven thing there up against the coals, and that get hot real quick. You might could set the pot down in
How
it.
they got that safety hook on there
Uh-huh.
and they wind it up.
That's really cool.
That way, if something happens, it don't fall. It just winds itself right up there.
Yeah. That's clever. I don't know who made that machine, but I bet they made some money. Because that is super clever.
It is.
And you see the way the belt is winding up on it to pull it up into place? Well, they got themselves a little pulley winch up there to wrap it up.
Yep. Got a little hook to keep it in there.
Yeah, that's so cool. Now they're going to extendo with the grabbers and wrap it around the pole and put it in the hole. That's awesome.
God bless these fellas from Indiana. Glad y'all are here, brother.
I don't think he could hear you over all the background noise. Watch your toes, dude.
All right.
They gonna tamp it down? He's twisting it. Huh. This is so cool. Now he's gonna make sure it's plumb, right?
Well, he's got to get it all the way down in the hole.
Oh
first.
dear. And there's a greenhouse in the way.
See that spike up there?
Yeah.
That's what they got to run the wire to, so it's got to be pointed up towards the road.
Ah, okay. There's the little hook up top.
And you see this fella right here using a plumb bob.
Yeah, I saw him using the.
He's in action right there.
I know, right?
He's just using it to sight it.
I put about 2 pole tops of rake in it.
Yeah, you still got to go left quite a bit. Yep. Get 2 points of reference. That's pretty damn cool.
Yeah, it is.
As simple a technology as you can, but
effective.
it's what the world runs off of. Inclined planes and plumb bobs.
Yep.
One more.
A little bit of pneumatic power and then we set.
Then we're cooking with electricity.
Well, when they get the house fixed.
Yeah, I know. But hey, the hard part is done.
Well, almost done.
Okay, granted, putting new bricks on the wall and stuff is. Yeah, I know. Okay, fine. I'm just saying the pole's there now. It's not laying in the yard. Well, I mean, there's still one laying in the yard, but you know what I mean. There's a vertical pole now.
You got a lot of caveats there.
I'm just happy the pole is standing upright instead of, well, not.
Well, I bet that thing comes in handy.
Yeah. They're going to tamp it down, right? I bet it shakes your shoulders all to pieces and your elbows too.
Not as bad as manually tamping it with your arms. See that metal pole we just put down there?
Yeah.
Ground rod.
Ah, hello. We have a cat joining us. Say hey, Simba. Say hey, Simba. We come through the storm okay. A few bruises and other stuff, but other than that, we all made it, didn't we, buddy? I'm gonna get that ground rod in the ground. Yeah, I see his whole body shaking. I bet that junk does hurt. Especially at the end of the day.
God bless.
Amen. Lord bless them and give them strength and ease their muscles at night so they don't hurt so bad after helping so many. You see the back of his shirt? It's a flag and it's a cross.
It's a man doing it on the pole.
Yeah, and it's a man on a pole. That's pretty cool. And this is how the linemen do.
Well, the linemen do.
You just ain't gonna leave me alone till I get in a comfortable spot for you, are you? Oh, why don't you lay the other way? The big swamp.
If I had the money, I'd pay somebody to come take that pine tree out too.
Yeah, it's very close to the house. But insurance won't pay for it till it falls on it.
Nope. And I ain't got the money for it.
I know.
I'm so sick of that phrase.
Our daddy's got the money. Pray about it.
Sorry, my heart, Father.
And she's in.
I think if we do get a place, I don't want to intrude within about 300 feet of it.
I hear you. If we go partial underground, we won't have to worry about the underground part getting hit. You see them opal mines in Australia? They're pretty cool. With all the stratolines and everything.
Yeah.
What they gonna do with the dirt?
Whatever they have to do.
I was just thinking they could throw it right there in that flower bed if they want to. They gotta disconnect the lines from the side of that pole and run them up this one, don't they? Now they're gonna run the lines, y'all. This is the best entertainment we've had all week. No internet, no TV. Oh, he's going up in the bucket. And these guys are stripping the lines off the pole. And when they get that pole and those electric lines out of here, I can get to my lemon basil and pick up all the purple heart that got crushed and scattered everywhere. Oh, he's going up to the top, y'all. I'm missing all the action. Oh, I got it off. And I got the wires off the pole. I think they're gonna run them up this one now. This is like right in our backyard beside our campfire, y'all. Snatch some lines off and run them up the other way. I saw them with some electrical tape a minute ago. I don't know what that's all about. But they know their job better than I do, that's for sure. Oh, check out that cool holster he has on his belt for his wire cutters and stuff. Ain't that cool? Check out that holster, isn't that cool? I could use one of them for my clippers, you know? My handheld clippers.
Just scrap a leather and make you one.
Yeah, I might do that. I could just shape it up around.
It, yeah.
Yeah, I could watch a YouTube video and learn how to do it. I'm sure. I mean, it might not be the prettiest thing, but it'd probably be functional, like everything else I make.
And it ain't gotta be perfect. It's just gotta be there.
Just gotta work. All right, y'all be blessed. Be safe out there. And if they haven't got to you yet, just understand it's because they was working on my house. Right, honey?
That's right.
All right. There's my honey. Say hey, honey.
Y'all say a prayer for everybody in the affected areas.
There's a lot of us.
There's millions affected by this storm. Send help if you can. And if you can't, prayer is the best thing you can do.
Amen.
Y'all be blessed.
As we wait for the coffee.
Yeah, let's get here.
Amen.